Hello, children. Let me tell you a little story. Once upon a time, there lived an emperor, and in this emperor's beautiful garden lived a tiny little bird. And the tiny little bird was a nightingale. And this nightingale used to sing beautiful songs. And when the king came to know of this nightingale, he called his servants to go and fetch the nightingale and bring it to him. And so his servants went, got the nightingale, and brought it to the king. And the king put the nightingale in the cage. And the nightingale was allowed to only leave the cage twice a day. As days went by, soon somebody gifted the emperor a mechanical nightingale that did the same job as the real nightingale. And so the emperor thought, okay, now I have this mechanical nightingale that can sing songs to me, so I don't need the real one. And so the emperor sent the real nightingale away. And now the mechanical nightingale sang the same song again and again and again and again until one day the nightingale broke down and nobody could fix it. This sent the emperor into a depression and despair. He couldn't eat, he couldn't sleep. He was so very, very sad. The real nightingale heard this and decided to go back to the king and sing songs for the king. The king, as soon as he heard the song of the real nightingale, was so overjoyed. And he was so ashamed that he had banished the little bird from his kingdom. And this time he gave the nightingale freedom to come and go whenever it wanted. Sometimes we also in life are addicted to things that are artificial, things that are not real, things that we think give us joy. But they might not be the real things. It might be a mobile phone, it might be some things that we use. So, my dear children, look for the real things in life. Thank you.